Hey people, so there is this show called show as in channel, a YouTube channel called Aapke Ghar Ka Kitchen, and that has been it's the gentleman who started it is just it must have happened just probably during the lockdown, and already the each video gets like 800 900 views, yeah, because the kind of content is so good. It's like basically it's a cooking channel, so you can check it out people. Aapke ghar ka chicken kitchen, aapke ghar ka kitchen, I'm saying chicken. So and you will see this Amritsari pindi chole, mango kalakand, these very unique, nice, mouth-watering type recipes. So do check it out people. It was so sweet. This gentleman, he connected with me, and it's this is like a shout out for that channel, but it is a good channel. So आपके घर का channel it is, आपके घर का kitchen it is, and I will connect with you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.